wonderful how you can stand here and just talk to the wildlife. Don't even seem to be bothered by you. I'm literally probably about 5 foot away from this little guy. Actually, he's pretty huge. Not even the slightest bit threatened by me. He's not a stranger. Comes up, gets some food, and then he heads back down the hill. Ain't that right, babies? Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. Just trying to survive out here just like the rest of us. If you can ever find one that's a baby, you hand raise them. They're actually amazing pets. But of course, I'm not going to go out there and try to pet on this guy. I'll never try to do that. If you ever want to be able to pet one of these little guys, you got to get them when they're at birth. That's the safest way. Ain't that right, little guy? It's alright. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. Just comes up, eats some cat food, and then goes down the hill. There's one that's even bigger than him. And that bigger one tends to fight on this little guy. But he doesn't get threatened by me. It's alright. You go ahead and eat your food, buddy. But no, he doesn't get threatened. He just enjoys sitting here eating food. Then he'll go down the hill, go to the creek water and drink some water and possibly eat some bugs. People get scared of them because they're not aware of them, what they're about. They hold a bad reputation because they get rabies. But this is the closest I'll allow myself to get to them. Ain't that right, little guy? You say it's better this way. Never try to interfere with Mother Nature. You'll knock the balance off and cause more problems. So I just thought maybe to share this cool looking video of a well-fed, well-taken care of raccoon. So I thought you guys would enjoy it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.